Hello, friends. I can't wait for you to try these pancake muffins. These pancake muffins taste just like pancakes in muffin form. So we're going to start off with 2 cups of pancake mix. This is the brand that I use, but you can use any brand that you like. We're going to measure 2 cups of pancake mix, 1 tablespoon of protein powder, 1 tablespoon of 1 tablespoon of almonds, and 1 tablespoon of flour. We're going to go ahead and mix this up. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life. Add your blueberries. And I'm feeling. Then add your milk. Give it a good mix. Add a little bit more milk. Fish in the sea. You know how I feel. Blossom on a tree. You know how I feel. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life. Add a little bit more milk. I swapped the spatula for a spoon. I needed something sturdier for this thick batter. Add a little bit more milk. Sun in the sky. You know how so this is the consistency that you need. It needs to be thick, not too thick, but just enough so it's just not runny. Okay, so now we're going to transfer it into our cupcake pan. Go ahead and fill your cups with the batter. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and top it off because I like jumbo muffins. Fish in the sea. You know how I feel. Blossom on a tree. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Bake for 15 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Guys, I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.